Hey everybody, today I've got a 10 by 20 canvas that I'll be working on. I am going to be doing a double ring pour, and I've got a bunch of paints that I've used in previous pours and I just kind of want to use them up. So the first color I've got right here, there's not a whole lot in there, is from FolkArt, and that is tanzanite. The next one is from Artist Loft, and that is metallic cobalt blue. And then I've got that one here. It is from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. That's bronze. And then I've also got copper, and that's also from DecoArt. And then in my bottle I have pearl white, and that is from FolkArt. Alright, so just going to get these out of the way, and we'll just go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the pearl white in the bottom, and all my paints are mixed with Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And let's see, I think I'll do bronze first. I'm not adding any silicone or alcohol or anything. I'm just gonna see what happens. Dump the rest of that in that one. Okay, then we'll go with the cobalt, and I am putting them in the same order. So doesn't really matter because it's all going to come out different probably. So alright, and while you're watching me, now would be a great time to like my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell also. That way when I upload new videos, you will be notified. Then you can see what I'm doing next. Alright, now I will do the copper. I don't really have a lot of that either. And here we go with the tanzanite on top. And there's not that much of that either, so. Okay. And I think I'm going to top it off with a little bit more of the pearl white. I love using pearl white. If you haven't noticed, I've used it quite a bit. Okay guys, so here it is all dry. I'll take you in for a little bit of a closer look. It dried perfectly. The colors just blended so nice, and I got just a ton of detail without using any silicone. So look at that. I love all of this, and this vibrant color right through the middle. It's almost like I got a rainbow. It's pretty cool, and I love all of this. So super happy with this. And then I did get some more cells that popped up through there and through this lighter corner. So yeah, so it turned out great. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, check out all my links in my description, and have a great day.